Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I have a little bit of a haul, I guess, for you. I recently bought some products from Bioseaweed. I've never tried this brand and I've been wanting to try it for a while, and then they had a sale going on a little bit ago, so I thought, why not try out some of these products? One of my friends actually uses these at her salon, so I thought I would check them out and see what they're like. So this is Bioseaweed gel. So you get a little card that kind of tells you healthier nails, healthier you. And I guess I get a code. I will use that later on because I'll probably need that more. And then my receipt. And then it tells you a little bit about their polishes. So they have a Unity all-in-one, a Soul Cure application with that one, and they are Big 5 free. So that's pretty good. And then it just tells you what to use and like all the different stuff that they have and how to actually use their polishes. You can also use them for a pedicure, so that's cool too. I haven't really tried gel on my on my toes because I don't know, I just don't know if I want to do the removal process, but we'll see. So I picked up a few different things in here. So first off, I picked up the Bioseaweed Gel Dual Pack. This is the no sanding base coat and the no wipe top coat. I can't remember. Oops, I just ripped the box. How much I paid. I think I paid 10 something, but they were on sale, like I said. So that's what the bottles look like. They're bigger size, so they are 15 milliliters, so that's pretty good. Like I said, they're 5 free and all that jazz. So the difference is the no sanding base is the healthiest base, no primers or bonders, no drilling or sanding and strengthening formula. And then it has a no wipe top coat. It cures the touch, no alcohol wipe needed, no yellowing or cracking, and ultimate shine finish. So that is the dual pack. It's actually cheaper to buy a dual pack than them separately. Then I got another dual pack. I got the stronger base one and then no wipe top coat, which I'm pretty sure is like exactly the same. So base one is extra strengthening formula, promotes natural nail growth and shine, no primers or bonders, no drilling or sanding. And then we got the no wipe, which I think is like exactly the same. Pretty much. So it says no wipe cures touch, no alcohol cleansers need, no standing, discoloration, or cracking, highest ultimate shine. So again, these are also 15 milliliter bottles. And so far, we'll see how they go. So yeah, stronger base and no wipe top coat. I wanted to try both of them to see what they're like because I'm always looking for a good base top coat and all that stuff. So these are two color polishes that I got. So the first one I got is 58 Peony. So this is their three-step color. So you use your base, your color, and then your top coat, of course. So this color is really pretty. I was excited about this because this color I actually always look for in a regular polish, but I never find it. So I'm excited about that. So I will do a swatch stick for you guys to see what it looks like. Really pretty. I only got two colors because I wanted to just see what they were like. And then I got 19 Granny Smith. And this is way brighter than a Granny Smith apple. And it's kind of more on like the turquoisey mint kind of side, but really nice and really bright. But yeah, so I will do some swatch sticks for you guys so you can kind of see what they look like, and I will be right back. So I just did a swatch stick of the 2-on-1, but that's what you can kind of see. So Peony is on the bottom, and then Granny Smith is on the top. It actually kind of looks cool together. But yeah, so that is kind of what they look like. I think they're really nice colors. I'm excited, and that's with no top coat or anything, so they're actually pretty shiny as well. So I'm going to try them out for a while and see what I think, if I like them. Oops, sorry. So they are a healthier alternative to some gel polishes, but Madame Glam and all that stuff too, they are like 5 free as well. So always a good product to try when you're trying to find healthier stuff for your nails. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling, but that is all I have for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.